Okay, good evening, gentlemen. So I'm going to record this session and put on the YouTube. Anybody have any problem, please do let me know right now. Otherwise, you can leave the meeting. I hope all good. So the exercise which we're going to do is called an PPDT. I'm going to share one picture, a hazy picture for 30 seconds. You have to observe the picture very carefully. After that, I'll give you 1 minute to write in the details. In details, you have to write the number of characters you have seen, what is their age, mood, and gender. Age, whatever you're perceiving, mood could be negative, positive, and neutral. If you see a negative, mark it as a minus. If you see a positive, mark it as a plus. If you're not able to recognize the gender, mark it as a P. Okay. Then you get 3 minutes to write the story. So total you get 4 minutes 30 seconds to wind up your story. When you write the picture, what has happened in the past, what is going on in the present, and what could be the likely outcome of it. You're not supposed to describe the picture if you write the story around the picture. I hope I am clear. Now get ready with pen and paper. I'm going to show you a picture. Close your notebook, keep behind it back. So generally don't have more than 35 seconds. So try to wind up your story in that only. Okay. So number 1 is Anshul, number 2 Kaushik, number 3 Anurag, number 4 Umesh, number 5 Chaitanya, number 6 Aditya, number 7 Devrat, number 8 Anil, number 9 Venkat, and number 10 is Saurabh Kalsi. Once the Saurabh done with the story, you have to your start a discussion. Okay. In the course of discussion, you have to come up with a common group story and you have to select one leader who is going to give the group story to the assessors. All clear?
Sorry, sir, my number. I missed it
Two.
out.
Number 2.
Thank you, sir.
Anshul 1, Kaushik 2, Anurag 3, Umesh 4, Chaitanya 5, Aditya 6, Devrat 7, Anil 8, Venkat 9, and Saurabh is 10. Okay? Okay, gentlemen? Okay, guys, 1 second. Okay, Anshul, you can start.
Good evening, gentlemen. From the picture shown to us, I have perceived 4 characters in the story. Male, age 25, mood positive. Female, age 35, mood neutral. And the male, age 40, neutral. And another female has a mood neutral. An action of my story is seeking the blessings from his family members once the call letter has received to join as a CISF officer. So Johnson worked hard and cleared his examinations and interview. Once the call letter has received to attend the training camp as a CISF officer, he put all the documents, basics, necessities, and put all the clothes in his suitcase and move towards the station. While taking the
Next.
blessings from his family members, he
Good evening, everyone. According to my perception, I perceive 4 characters. Their age group between 28 to 48. They're in positive mode. And action of my story is going for training of civil service officer. Hero of my story is Robin. Robin cleared his civil service examination in his 4th attempt, and he went. He was about to leaving his family and his friends. His family was happy as well as emotional at the same time. He went for the training. He participated in all the activities. He focused on the academics as well as he focused in physical activities, and he cleared all the exams of that training. After completed the training, he joined as a video and he made himself proud and his family proud. Thank you.
Jai gentlemen, from the picture I perceive 4 characters, age around 25 to 40-year-old. Mood of all characters are neutral, and action of my story going for a training after completing the IPS exam, written exam. Rahul, a 35-year-old, but after clearing the IPS exam, he go for training. After taking blessings from his family, he went for a family.
Again.
Jai gentlemen, from the picture I perceive 4 characters. All 2 are male and 2 are female. Age around 28 to 40-year-old. Mood is negative, and action of my story going for a training after clearing the IPS written exam. From the story, no. Rahul, a 35-year-old, prepared for IPS exam. After clearing the IPS exam, he went for a training. and he goodbye to his family, and after completing training, he took all his family to live with him. Thank you.
Good evening, friends. From the picture shown to us, I perceived four characters, two male, two female. Age varies between 27 to 53-year-old and mood is positive. The action of my story is going to Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel Police Academy. Samay, who was a UPSC aspirant, also used to teach in a private school to support the family financially, and clearing the doubts of the student used to clear his doubts as well. This time he cleared his exam after multiple failures. He he aced the interview as well. It was the joining day. He said goodbye to the parents, took the blessings of the parents, and said goodbye to his wife as well. He gave her responsibility of parents. He went to academy and performed very well in the academy. He joined the Rajasthan Police cadre. He was happy and family was happy too. Thank you.
Good evening, gentlemen. What I perceive from the picture, there is four characters. Two are male and two are females. All are aged between 25 to 30, 25 to 50, 60 years old, and mood of all the characters is neutral. Action of my story is leaving home after vacation for job. Venkatesh is a software engineer in Bangalore. Came to his village in festival, and in Diwali festival, he is recently married to Kosaki, who is a government school teacher in the village. And Venkatesh recently visited his after the festival. He took the blessings from her parents, from his parents, and all the members of the family came to see off him. And after reaching Bangalore, Venkatesh called her home and informed that he reached safely and started his job. Thank you.
Jain gentlemen, from the given picture, I perceive four characters, two females and two male, age around 21 to 53 years of age. An action of my story is departing home for the preparation of CDS examination. Antonio, a boy who is 21 years old, has just completed his graduation from BIT Minister of Engineering College, and he started aiming for the CDS examination. As he has researched many social media, so he get to know that there is a platform called CDS Journey, which has an offline coaching in Lucknow. So he decided to go there, and he dedicatedly prepared for the CDS examination, solved all the practice sheet given by the teachers, and solve all his doubts regarding the questions if he can't understand. And eventually he cleared his CDS written examination with flying colors, and he went through his interview, also cleared it, and got into
Thanks.
the merit. Thank you.
Good evening, gentlemen. From the picture, I perceive two male character and two female character. All are of age between 25 to 55, and all are in positive mood. My action of the story is going back to the office after Diwali vacations. Karan working as a chemical engineer in Yonko Chemical in Madhya Pradesh. Uh, come to the home after 1 year at Diwali vacations. He meet his family members and friends and celebrate the Diwali with everyone, and do the some work of home, like he did completed his father's pending treatment of eye, and do some other important works. And on the day of going, everyone blessed him for his future after going to the
Next.
office. Thank you.
Hello, gentlemen. I have perceived four characters from the picture. Two are male and two are female. So the main character of this story is Ram, who is 24-year age, and the theme of this story is joining the training academy. So Ram, basically, he was a engineering student from Jadavpur University.
after multiple attempts, he was able to clear the examination, and he was going to join the training academy. His parent blessed them, and it was for the first time that someone has got selected from their village. So everyone appreciated him, and all the villagers also got inspired from him, and everyone were happy.
Gentlemen, from the picture, I have perceived 4 characters, 2 male and 2 females, and they belong to the age group of 22 to 51 years old, and all are in the neutral mode. The action of my story is seeking blessings of parents before leaving for training at OTA. Ravi, 22 years old, is a graduate. He recently cleared his interview and medicals to join the OTA Chennai under the NCC Special Entry Scheme. So and he recently got joining letter for the same. So before leaving, he informed his parents and his elder sister and started packing the bags according to the joining instructions. And after packing the bag, he booked a ticket to join for his travel. So before leaving for the railway station, he sought blessings from his parents, bid goodbye to his elder sister and family, and left to the station and boarded the train. Later, he reached the uh, uh, destination station on time, reported to the academy, completed his training, and became a commissioned officer, made his parents proud, and started serving with sincerity, dignity, and pride.
Good evening, gentlemen. From the given story, I perceive 4 characters, 2 male, 2 female, age around 22 to 50. And my action of mood positive, and my action of the story is joining new college after getting admission. Darshan, a 21-year-old guy, just cleared his JEE examination and he got NIT Trichy. He was very happy and excited as he was going to start his new phase of life. So he planned all the things. He booked the tickets. He managed all the necessary items which are required at the joining of the university. So he was very happy, and he took the blessings of his family, and his family gave him the best wishes, and then they all dropped him to the cab. Thank you.
Friends, majority of us has made that they were
The
going to the
majority,
training
there,
academy.
Maximum of us made story
the
about
story, majority of the students have
joining
made.
academy
Majority
or
of the
joining
stories should be
joining
joining the training
story
academy.
of
coaching.
We can make a story around that joining a training
He had
campus
cleared
exam
exam
after
he
clearing the
is living
exam.
previously, and now he's going to join
Yes,
for the
we
Ballabhai
can
Academy for
as we
make
can
a
see
story around the way
He was
that
particularly preparing for
he
the
is going
IPS.
to
We can
join.
know
the
that.
story we have made is
We can
that
make a story around
joining the
joining
Now
training.
we can make a story around that he cleared the UPSC Civil Service exam
Story would be
for the
simple that
interview and
he is going for training
cleared
and
the CCBT.
took blessings
He is going the examination after he is joining any defense academy, right?
He cleared the exam and
He
joined the
cleared the
academy.
exam,
He took
Yes,
he
yes.
blessings
joined
of
the
parents,
academy.
and we can't
Parents.
ignore
Yes,
the
sir.
wife
We
as
can,
well.
Yes,
yes,
yes.
He
we can
said
make
to
a
wife
story
and
around
to
the way
mention wife as well. Yes,
He's
yes,
going to join the
definitely.
we
academy.
all
Gentlemen, we can make a story of
all the
And he participated in
all
all
the
the
basic
activities.
clearing the
documents
UPSC
that
civil
are
service
required.
examination.
So he clears
Before
everything,
going to
all the
before going for a
documents
training, he
needed,
managed all the things.
all the basic
He booked the
necessities,
ticket,
And he
clothes,
became an
packed
inspiration
all the
for the
necessary
younger
items,
ones.
and
everything.
completed
He
the
was the
paperwork,
first
Yes,
one
whatever the
he is
necessary required
he
for
is
the
also a
multiple
source
area,
of
so he became
inspiration to
inspiration
the
for the
younger
younger.
ones.
He invited others as well.
Yes, he is a source of
from his
inspiration to
family,
the
and
younger ones, and he
Suitable
makes
that
his
he is
parents
married in
proud.
his training period.
We can see
Now
that there are 4 characters.
we can take that
Two of
he
them
took
are the
all the
parents,
basic
and the
necessities,
other one
And
is
finally, he
then
arrived
we
in the
can add that
academy.
his
And
wife.
the
he
basic
took all the
necessities
necessary
at the
stuff
same
that
time
whatever
in
is
his
required for the training. He
suitcase.
completed all the
In the
He was a
paperwork,
suitcase, he
government
took all the
employee
packed
basic
all the
and
necessities,
documents
he
which
got
is
the job, and now
necessary,
documents,
he's going to academy for
Is it
training.
all
is
and
it
other
the
is it
things
suitable
that
for
are required in the
is
training.
it given to say
Also,
that
he
he
promised
has been
that
selected? He has a
takes
wife
the regular
in
calls, and he
his
also
training.
get the daily
He is a
routines to the
notary. He
family's
needs to
place.
going
look
to a
them
training,
on the
he
regular
regularly calls his
basis,
family,
We
and
can
and
take
he
so
also
he
we can
was
make a story around the
preparing
way
for
that
the UPSC. He cleared the
His family
exam. He
condition was
cleared the
not good.
exam
he
of
cleared
IPS.
After that, he has
He was
given
going
the
to join the
examination.
officer,
The
the
family
all the
members
family members
came
are the
to
source of
see
inspiration to him.
of him, and
We can make
preparing
a
after
for
that
story
a
he
around the way.
he
not only
started
married,
Yes,
he is a whole area of
3-4
as the
years.
exam cycle is very hectic,
clearing
person who
the
is
it's a
going to
tough
join the
cycle
academy.
and it's a
Very
gap.
distracted.
Yes, it's not
He was
this
very
exam
happy
cycle.
that he was able to help and
Exam
contribute
cycle
to
is
the
not a one-day
society.
marathon. We can make
And every student
He
was
was
going to the
having
a
academy.
concerns
process.
about his
getting
success.
inspired from
So
his
Continuing a long
he is
process,
going to contribute to the
motivation
society. He is
and
going to
calmness is required in this examination to crack the exam.
Yes, gentlemen.
So
He
he is
prepared
all
for 3 to 4 years for this examination,
After
and
clearing
for
the
examination.
his wife
His family members also supported very well.
Taking army, taking army
He
training is
cleared
a good idea.
the exam. He
the
fixed the
written
spot,
interview, written
and
exam,
after that,
Ramalingam was
he cleared the
going to the
interview
police
examination
call.
academy.
Yes,
He did well in
and
the
yes,
went for
exam.
the
He took
academy.
blessings of
yes,
parents, did
From
necessary
his
yes,
arrangements.
yes,
He went to the
yes.
academy. He did well there and also started guiding to the younger ones. He became an
That's
motivator.
also an
He became the source of inspiration. He became the source of inspiration to everyone. So he guided, motivated everyone,
who are preparing
and
very well for
also
examination in the exercise.
sisters.
Don't use other
Yes,
characters which is not in
yes, we can.
picture.
Yes, we can use all the characters that are in the picture. We have to make a story around the way. He cleared his examination. He cleared his examination, but because of the family members, it is not possible to clear the exam. Right? So his motivation, his source of inspiration is the very one we can take. And also before joining to the academy, he took the letters that he received as the joining letter that is received from the academy.
Before joining the
And
academy,
yes,
he made himself physically fit and mentally
The main motivation for him,
we can
inspiration
add
for
one
him.
mentally
action.
and physically well.
Probably
One
after
action here.
clearing his
We can add one action here.
so feel proud of him.
Yes,
Story goes like this.
we can
Story goes
we
like
can
this.
add other
He
actions.
cleared he
We can add multiple other
during the
actions.
examination and
Our main
He
character
became
was
the
going
source
to
of
join the
inspiration.
he
commandant
go
by
for
Patel Police
he
Academy.
is leaving his home for
Yes,
training.
He fared well for the exam,
Academy
fared
began
in the
his
interview,
discuss
for a lot
did
of
regularly
years.
necessary
in a
arrangements
phone
for the
calls
trip, did
about the daily
took
routine of the
blessings of
campus.
parents, said goodbye
That
to wife, and entered
yes,
as the responsibility of the family.
yes, yes, regular message is required
Later,
as
he
he
joined the
provide the daily
academy.
routines about the
He
campus,
started
explaining
he
the
wrote
daily
notes
routine
to
that is in the
parents his
campus.
wife from there.
He informed
He did
well,
well
and
in the
after
academy and
Gentlemen,
also
he
started
after
after coming back,
going for
he
a trip,
started
once
guiding to the younger
the semester,
generation.
once the exam
messages
is
to his
as over,
family,
he came to the
regularly take
home, and after he discussed and enjoy the family very
That
well.
area became a
We can
police
make
factory because everyone from the area was taking guidance from
yes,
him and joining the
yes,
academy.
Yes, he became an
yes. We
inspiration
can
for the
take, we
society.
can take,
Yeah, I
He became an
agree with
inspiration for the
we
society.
can make in a way.
I agree with
Helpful.
Let's
the
conclude
story.
Wow. Yes, yes, he's good. He's good. He's good. Yes,
He shared his valuable
yes, he's good.
experience.
Yes, he shared his valuable experience. He motivated the.
Okay, gentlemen, please stop it. Now let me know who will be a group leader.
Sir, may I narrate?
I think Umesh should be perfect.
Umesh.
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 We are agree with Umesh, sir.
You all agree with Umesh?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So who's your group leader? Umesh.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
give the
Yes,
group
sir.
story. Quick.
Thank you, group, for giving me this opportunity. Sir, as per our common story, we perceived 4 characters, 2 male, 2 female, age between 27 to 53 years, and all in positive mood. The action of our story was going to join the Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel Police Academy. Ramalingam, after clearing the UPSC exam, did well in the interview and was going to join the academy. He made necessary arrangement for the training for the trip, and packed food and booked a ticket, and also took blessings of parents. He said goodbye to her wife and handed the responsibility of parents to wife. He joined the academy, did well in the academy, and after coming from there, he started guiding to the younger ones. He became an inspiration for that village, and later on that village became police factory because everyone from that village was joining the police academy, was getting inspiration and guidance from the Ramalingam. Ramalingam and family was happy. Thank you.